Hi Stampers, this is Dawn and we're going to make this type of card today. I'm going to show you how to make it. I made a couple different versions of this card. This is the one that we made in the glitter pit yesterday. If you want to check that video out, that link's down below. And it will be the replay from when we filmed it live yesterday. But this is how the card opens up. Isn't that awesome? So you have like a little accordion in the inside of the card. I love that. Okay, so here's another type of card that uses the same concept. And this one is using the Fable Friends stamp set. Isn't that cute? All right, so let's go ahead and show you how to make this type of card. Okay, so let's start with the base. This piece of Whisper White is cut at 8 by 5.5, and then you're going to score it at 4 inches. And then for the inside part of the card, this piece is cut at 5 1/4 by 10. And then I also cut out some designer paper. You're going to need 6 strips, and these are all cut at 5 1/8 by 7/8. Okay, so you're going to need 6 of those. All right, so let's grab our Simply Scored. Okay, so this is the Simply Scored. We're going to score this on the 10-inch side. We're going to score this at 2 inches, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right, so now we're going to fold our 1-inch pieces here. We're going to fold it up and then back, and then just go ahead and fold them all that way. So it's going to be like an accordion fold. So I'm going to take the bone folder and I'm going to reinforce the score lines. Okay, so now this is going to be the inside of our card, and this is the time to add your designer paper. That's if you're wanting to do this. Since I'm using the Whisper White, the designer paper will be laid into each of the 1-inch score lines. So there'll be go right here. And of course you just work your way down, and I've already got one done, so let me grab that. Okay, so here's the one that's finished. Now we're going to go ahead and put this inside of our Whisper White base. Let me grab some liquid glue. I'm going to use the multi-purpose liquid glue. We're going to start on one end of the fold for the inside. We're going to take our base. Now remember, this is cut at 5 1/4 inches wide. So, and our card base is 5 1/2. So we're just going to have a little slight border. So you want to keep that in mind when you're adding your insert into the card. You're going to have a little border around the edge. And we're going to go ahead and do the other side. With the liquid glue, you have a little time to adjust your piece when you're adhering it down. Okay, so there's our fun fold. Isn't that awesome? So when you fold it, it's going to look like this. And then open it up. All right, so now let me give you some tips on adding your inserts to your centerpiece of your card. So now this one, let me show you here. So this is using the designer paper called How Sweet It Is. And I used a variety of different stamps because I wanted to use the 1 1/4 inch circle punch with the 1 3/8 scallop circle punch. So I went through all my stamps and I kind of got all the birthday greetings that I wanted to use for this birthday card. Let me show you all the stamps that I used for just this card. Okay, so here's one, and this is the Bunch of Blossoms. And this one is for the Let's Celebrate Your Day. So I used that one. Okay, so then I also used the Itty Bitty Greetings, and this is in the annual catalog. This is the, let me see here, I used the Fabulous at Any Age, Celebrate, and I think the other one was over here on this one. Yeah, Happy Birthday. So there's a few greetings in that one. And then I also used the Itty Bitty Birthdays, which is in the Occasions catalog. And then this one is the Picture Perfect stamp set. And this is what I stamped on the back side and the inside of the card. So today we celebrate wonderful, brilliant, fabulous you. So all these greetings fit in the 1 1/4 inch circle punch, and that's what I wanted. And then for the front, I used the birthday cheer, and then of course the really cute birthday hat. Okay, so then this is the Easter one that I used using the Fable Friends. Let me show you that stamp set. This is in the Occasions catalog right now, and I used all the animals on that one with the Easter greetings stamp set, the Pear Pizzazz. So cute. Now you'll notice that I used the squares and then also the circles for this one. So now, like I said, I made this one in the glitter pit yesterday, so you guys can check that video out if you want that step by step. But this one I used the 2 inch by 2 inch squares. And I used 4 of the squares for that. And then I just cut the Whisper White down when I stamped the animals down to 1 7/8 square. And then I layered that onto the pear pizzazz. So cute. Now I will say that on my finished card, I will be putting a ribbon around the card. It just keeps the card closed because it's kind of bulky right here. So I'm going to remove this centerpiece and just tie a ribbon around that and then just tie it shut so it holds it shut. But it's so cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, so that's how you make that really cute card. And if you have any questions, just let me know. I'll have all the items listed below. And then don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any future videos. Okay, thanks for stopping by. We'll see you later. Bye.